November the 15th, 2021. Guys, you're looking at a website called the Sky Live. It's a link on our website at bpearthwatch.com. Just scroll down on the left, you'll see it. And you can pull in different asteroids, meteor showers, things like that. And tonight, we're getting into the peak of the Leonid meteor shower. This is it on the left. Now notice east is right there. So if you look east right now I'm in central Mississippi. It's central time at 6:07 p.m. And the moon's bright if you go outside and look there now. But as the night goes on, just to the left, just to the north of the east mark, the Leonids are going to be appearing to be coming out of the constellation of Leo. Now, it's kind of coincidental that we have Leo on the left or to the east, and on the west of us, behind this, we have the comet Leonid. Both we're talking about Leo. But anyway, guys, this is going to be the peak coming up tonight, tomorrow night, and the 17th. Then on the 18th, we're going to have the longest blood moon in a very, very long time, and maybe the longest for a very long time to come. Going from about 3 to 4 hours, you're going to see that eclipse. Got Comet Leonid, got the Leonid meteor showers coming out of Leo, and we have this blood moon coming up. Now, how is that significant? I don't know. I'm not into astrology. I do enjoy watching astronomy, but I'm not an astrologer. But guys, just for what it's worth, I'd like to hear your comments below. But you got the Leonids active right there, and then just if you scroll around, we'll come back here to the east, you have the Alpha Monoceratids right there to the right. So it's going to be kind of a lit up night for the meteor showers. This Leonid meteor shower can be very impressive depending on the strength of it. I've seen it before to where it appeared to be coming down, straight down, and meteorites going left and right. I mean, just like you were standing in front of a shotgun. It was a beautiful sight. And what happens is, these are comet debris trails. As a comet comes around the sun, Inky and some of the other ones, they will leave these debris trails. So the thickness of the debris trail changes each year. If you've got a minor shower or you don't see that many, then you're kind of in a thinner part. But sometimes, like we're doing now, you're getting into a thicker part of that debris trail from these comets. So tonight, if you go outside right now and look east, you're going to see the moon. It's very bright. But as it rises, keep looking over the horizon and look at Leo. Now, just kind of give you an idea what it looks like. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very bright stars here in this section. Then Leo is the brightest star, and it's going to be just due north of east. So it should be easy to find. The skies are clear tonight except for that moonlight. And guys, this is on the opposite side. If you turn around, I've heard reports that people are starting to get better and better images of this comet Leonid looking west above the sunset. Now, what you're seeing, if you look at it very closely, is two tails. I know it's kind of hard to see here. You have an ion tail that is different than the debris trail. The debris trail goes or forms directly behind the comet as it's moving, but the ion trail depicts the direction of the solar wind. In other words, as it gets closer to the sun, you've got the comet moving from here left to right, but it will be blasting out the other side as far as that ion tail. Very beautiful comet. It's supposed to get naked eye visibility 100 times brighter than it is now. That's going to be amazing. And this image of Comet Leonid gives you, it's a different astronomer, different telescope, but it gives you a very clear eye of the inner nuclei and then the outer, what they call the coma of this thing. Beautiful, the cyan green color, they say is gases that coming off of this thing. And to be honest with you, a lot of people say they're icy snowballs, but they're not. These are electric objects that have been traveling for eons through the solar system, and they pick up a charge. Just like if you're in the wintertime when it's dry and you're sliding across a carpet and you touch something electric, electronic, You get that spark, guys. That's what we see when they get close to the sun, a discharge effect, and you'll see CMEs blast off the sun in the direction of the comet. We've seen it many times, and I've seen it actually tear the tail of the comet off in that solar wind. We saw it with Comet Encke, Comet Ison, some of the other ones. And this is going to be the brightest comet of 2021. It may be one of the brightest in quite a few years. So we have this to the west, the Leonid meteor showers behind us, and about to see the longest lunar eclipse in quite a while. So for the next few days, we've got quite a spectacle looking up into our skies. Had some questions about that, guys. I wanted to come in and talk about it. There's a lot going on around this planet, and there's signs, I believe, of changes coming. There's going to have to be a major change coming because the demons are trying to do everything they can to completely take over this planet. You understand exactly what I'm saying. So we're watching. I want you to watch. I want you to keep your heads up on this thing. Prep, pray, stay out of the way. Now, as you're looking at all of this in the night sky, are you getting your food ready? Are you getting heat sources ready? Water ready? I hope you are, because you're going to need it. And, people have talked about like a zombie apocalypse in the end times. And that may be simply people and gangs that have not prepared, hordes that have not prepared, that will come in and steal and rob and kill. So you've got, how many areas of preparation do I need to talk about? But we're watching it, guys. You watch it. Get ready. It's a heads up. Be safe.